Transporters and Drivers Council wants NHIDCL to remove tonnage restriction of 24 tons for goods trucks at Barak Bridge on Imphal-Jiribam Road. Surface Transport Hill Area's Drivers Welfare Union Manipur says building of weight bridge at Golarthon is to extort money from drivers. Women folk stage sit-ins against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 at various places of Imphal City in solidarity to movement initiated by 6 student bodies. And Council of State Industrial Development and Investment Corporation of India confers National Award for Outstanding Entrepreneurs to Thangjam Joykumar of Likla brand. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Laisham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Transporters and Drivers Council has demanded withdrawal of tonnage restriction of up to 24 tons imposed on good trucks at Barak Bridge on National Highway number 37 Imphal-Jiribam Road by National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation NHIDCL at the earliest. TDC want to storm NHIDCL office and protest if their demand is not met. Speaking to media at TDC office in MG Avenue today, TDC President H. Ranjit intimated that Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineer Limited had earlier submitted a report to TDC permitting tonnage capacity of up to 40 tons at Barak Bridge. He further said, as per a Gazette notification of the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India dated July 18, 2018, tonnage capacity of 19, 26.5 and 36 tons are permitted for 6, 10 and 12-wheelers vehicle respectively along national highways of the country. He asserted that the revised Gazette notification should be applicable throughout the country with no exception to Imphal-Jiribam Road. Ranjit condemned the restriction imposed as a ploy of both NHIDCL and Highway Authority to avoid maintenance works of Imphal-Jiribam Road. He demanded NHIDCL to clarify as to when BB13 Raban Wilgott will be set in place while repairing Barak Bridge. The TDC President urged the government to give stern instructions to NHIDCL to expedite the repair of Imphal-Jiribam Road and bridges on the road. Ranjit further said, TDC along with drivers and public will repair Irang, Barak and Makru bridges if NHIDCL is unable to do so. He also denounced self-styled transporter groups and warned of strict actions against them.
Ribbon hapte Barak Tongsi Mapangan Sole, Tongsi overload where Tongi Pupangam Dragon, Tori Talataro, Kari Tori Tatino, Hanabanema, NHID Shelga, Highway Administration, Hanabaneva, Highway Administration, Cidia Leweda, Highway NHID Shelna, Sumari Polama Samitore, Maji Tongi collapsed organdi, traffic share, Rabanwini, Gaina, Biarona, Toromba Sidesta, Adum Tamsi Guy, Tongsi in a Teva Moin Ishali, Lambin Duda, maintenance Taudanova, maintenance Sangdanova, Aduneva Moinas Hanalisha, 18 July 2019 Chanalo, Aikogi driver sing, Aikogi Gariola sing the Awapa Pibayaroi, the Lambi Sidesta, Matong Marum Kangdaba, transporters haba, drivers haba, groups in Tolok Bayaroi, Madugi the Magda, Tidishina Sapsana, Tinagani, Maduda Tidishina My Ladies.
Transport Surface Transport Hills Area Drivers Welfare Union Manipur condemned the building of a weight bridge at Golarthon on National Highway 3, Imphal-Jiri Road, as a means to extort money from drivers along the highway. Speaking to media at North AOC today, President of the Union A. Pukelo Ishena stated that drivers bring sustenance for the state by risking their lives along the 2 national highways of the state, namely Imphal-Dimapur and Imphal-Jiribam roads. He alleged some self-styled wealthy truck owners of trying to squeeze out money from the drivers by building a weight bridge. Pukelo assured to drivers that the union will stand for them. He urged the relevant authority to look into the matter and withdraw construction of the weight bridge without further delay.
National Highway 2 ga 37 chingba se haji driver ko yamna wara laibise asi matada so weight bridge habke haina mina habise akoi pende driver ko anaba awa basi akoi parjama yamna khana lai adu aji matada amo makoi bo awa bibidi akoi nongaite pende amakoi na sung weight bridge simla ga larebdi pisa khaiba kari guma driver ko yamna wawa lakni matam so yamna mangani adu amakoi na haji simge habise akoi driver ko awaba yamna thina ga bala laga dore asima ko awaba jinga to badage akoi surface transfer gi president ni aju gi mom ai kanna asi gi toba yaro hena kanna best dora.
Women folks of the state today staged sit-ins against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 at various places in solidarity to the movement against the bill initiated by 6 student bodies, namely AMSU, DESAM, MSF, SUK, KSA and AIMS. Sayang Ningthau Maira Paibi, Haurakchambi Apunba Nupiluk, Takhelamba Laikai Youth Club and Konjeng Hazari Laikai Maira Paibi Lup organized protest meets at Sagolban, Sayang Pukri Mapal, Takhelambam Laikai, Sega Road and near Konjeng Hazari Laikai Oil Pump respectively. Various placards were displayed during the sit-ins. Whitehall Women Welfare and Development Society and Whitehall Educated Youth Association also jointly staged a sit-in against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 today. The protest meet was staged at Whitehall Market of Thoubal under the initiative of Joint Action Committee on Inner Line Permit System. Students' Union of Lamlong Higher Secondary School and TG Higher Secondary School Student Union in separate press releases extended full support to the boycotting of the upcoming 70th Republic Day celebration by Joint Higher Secondary School Students Union against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Student unions of Manipur College, DM College of Arts and DM College of Commerce have also boycotted the upcoming 70th Republic Day celebration against the bill. Security has beefed up ahead of the Republic Day in Imphal City. As part of the security measures, Imphal West Commando, under the supervision of Additional SP Operation of Imphal West Police, DH Krishna Tombi carried out cordon and search operations from Hindu Hotel till Jalal Hotel of Nagamapal from 7:40 to 8 this morning. 456 individuals were verified and 17 individuals without proper identification proofs were handed over to City Police for further investigation. The team further conducted combing operations from Mahavir to Ibohal Cycle Shop and surrounding areas of Laima Shopping Complex in Pauna Market this afternoon from 2:40 p.m. to 3:40. Altogether, 543 individuals were verified and 21 individuals without identification proofs were picked up and handed over to City Police. A team of Commando Imphal East District, including women personnel, also carried out cordon and search operations at Ahalub Mayalekai under Haingang Police Station in Imphal District today. 634 individuals, including 258 women, were verified during the drive, held from 5:15 to 7:25 this morning. 9 individuals, including 1 woman, without proper identification proofs were picked up and handed over to Haingang Police Station for further verification. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization in a press release warned of intense agitations, including ban and general strike if the result of 2013 police constable badge is not reviewed at the earliest. Vice Chairperson Lamlai Municipal Council Sagoshyam Bishor Chandra clarified that there is no misappropriation of funds in carrying out works on the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana housing for all in areas under the council. Speaking to media at LMC office in Lamlai Market today, Bishor Chandra termed it unfortunate that various misleading information about the council were circulated recently on media. He further termed such acts as a political ploy to withdraw the scheme. Bishor Chandra appealed not to play political games to hinder in carrying out welfare projects. He also urged the people under the council to be always on alert against such ploy. The vice chairperson appealed to visit LMC office during office hours for any clarification. Attending the press meet, Councillor of Lamlai Municipal Council Ward Number 9, Irom Rojain also strongly condemned the recent allegations against Lamlai Municipal Council and appealed to those concerned not to charge any such baseless allegations ever again.
Live friendship program ji akoina yum sabagi paisa kapiba kholiba ji masa masa gi account da loimak paisa ji kapa ngaktani masi khoi councilor gi through da natragal lamlai municipal council gi through da senji lakpa nate aduna sida akoina senja thumja tawa habji tabada woiba yadaba adugumba polamani masa masa gi account da sangba paisa bu kanagumba xyz amana paisa do lokthokpa yabagi adumba right to leiba nate haijariba
aikoi gi lamlai municipal council gi apunba yum sabagi ayaba phangba si 592 aduga 592 gi manungda hojik lamlai municipal council na 319 already saba loidana adi foundation loraba matungda masa masa gi beneficiary gi account da paisa kapa loikhre masa masa na phangjakhre adugi matungda central government gi ani suba second step ki haibadi lemten pawgi paisa hojik pai state government ta thadarak pa leitri maramaduna aikoina second step asi sabada tang khudungcha da ba mayok.
President of International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA Joy Chandra Konthausam has stressed the need for every communities in the state to intermingle and cooperate each other for a better society. He was speaking in the 4th day of Chakan Ngai festival celebration at Oinam Kaboi village today. Khunbu and Khulakpa of the village led in performing ceremonial rituals. Performances of traditional dance and songs by youth and women folks marked the celebration.
Thank you. Second thank you.
Jati Nempu Muna, I call Punjat Laga, Nunshi Chanana Tawa, Adugumaba, Iramdam, Landam, Landam Asida, Mahaki Oiva, Adugumaba, culture, Amadi, tradition, I call Nanda. Yokat Mataukai, I coina, if I pushing the Tambiramba culture, Amadi, tradition, I say, Natuna later Kandada, I call Chokatpa, Aduguna Kunai, Amo Oigani, Manipur labor, Jati, Kudimaki, Tabak Torunda, I call Chatlaga, Landam Aduga Awatpa, Amadi, Mungai, with the Saru Yaminaraga, I call Janminaga.
Pihaiba traditional dance was performed on the 3rd day of Ngai festival, the largest festival of the devotees of Tingkau Rakwang Chapriak of the Ziliangrong community across the state yesterday. President of Northeast India Development Party NEIDP Central Working Committee, Narengbam Samarjit and executive members of the party joined in a celebration held at Sangaipro Kaboi village in Patsoi constituency. Samarjit also presented 50,000 rupees to the villagers on the occasion. People of all age groups took part in the celebration. Speaking on the occasion, Samarjit stated that Ngai festival is the most vibrant extant festival of Rongmei community, which will continue to endure. He assured that NEIDP will contribute its best in preserving such indigenous festivals of the state. Attending the event, Vice President of NEIDP CWC Sapam Kunjakeshwar stated that NEIDP took part in the event leaving aside any political interest. He stressed the need to strive together as one to protect the integrity of the state. He wished for the festival to bring a peaceful and harmonious coexistence among various communities of the state.
Lamdam masida punna hingminariba punna hingminaraklaba aikoi kwai punamakpo punjan mangamba sigumba oiba sigumbagi cultural gi oiba magi tradition gi oiba magi historic value piriba sigumbagi magi promotion toba matamda Salai Holdings Private Limited amadi Northeast India Development Party na chahi khudingi amadi thorum khudingi aikoina achauba mateng aikoigi thodang adu akoi logjagani
Akui awan naga akui yabi mukui awan naga akui yabi adugi wakul naga tingi wan tukuni kui dolasi ayo sampai sini kita amasuk dolasi mati ini panjang kerja mang hal ini wakul kunwa luna
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Thangjam Joykumar, the Managing Director of Thangjam Agro Industries, Likla, being conferred a National Award for Outstanding Entrepreneurs. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. The Council of State Industrial Development and Investment Corporation of India, New Delhi, conferred Thangjam Joykumar, the Managing Director of Thangjam Agro Industries, Likla brand, with National Award for Outstanding Entrepreneurs in a ceremony held at Hotel Shangri-La in Bangalore yesterday. The award was given in acknowledgement of Joykumar's contribution to micro, small and medium enterprises sector. The award is looked upon as a benchmark of excellence in the MSME sector. He was nominated by Manipur. It may be mentioned that Thangjam Joykumar started Thangjam Agro Industries under the brand name Likla in 1991 with only 4 persons and only 1 product. The company now has 500 employees with 70% women working in production and management, and another 250 persons are engaged in distribution. Thangjam Joykumar was also awarded with Entrepreneurship Appreciation Award in 2010, Best Food Product Award in 2011, and Best Entrepreneur Award in 2012. Handicraft Service Centre Imphal, under the aegis of the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, organized a one-day Haskala Sahyog Shivir program at Nongpok Ningthau Community Hall of Langdum in Imphal East today. Many talented craftswomen from Kairao attended the program. Speaking on the sidelines, Assistant Director Handicrafts of Handicraft Service Centre Imphal, T.H. Rajain, stated that the program will be very beneficial for the women artisans as it will raise awareness on various government schemes meant for them.
Sida kana basidi aduki yamgre mi lising tara mai manga gi mathakta leigre aikoina training scheme kayang pijagre design and technical development workshop adudagi EDP program, improved tools and kits, and participation in exhibition in Manipur and outside siguma mayam kana pigre aduga mudra loan facility I card paragadi guarantor gi darkar laite DG handicraft na loan lobu gi damakta guarantor way.
One-day training program on the theme Current Trends and Practices in Special Education for Special Educator was held at Manipur Press Club today. The program was jointly organized by National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities, NIEPID Secunderabad, State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Government of Manipur, and Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur. Speaking on the occasion, Assistant Professor of Pediatrics, NIEPID Secunderabad, Dr. G. Mary Anurupa said that the program focusing on various aspects of educating children with special needs were very beneficial for special educators. District Health Society Thaubal organized one-day district-level blood donors motivation training program at the training hall of Thaubal District Hospital today. 35 individuals from Thaubal and Kakching districts attended the program. Program Officer of State Blood Transfusion Unit, Dr. L. Tomcha Kuman, encouraged the attendees to donate blood by assuring that there is no negative health impact of blood donation, rather, it saves another person's life. He also stressed on the benefits of donating blood during a technical session of the program. Now the sports news. MSET FC trashed choreographer FC 4-0 in today's first match of AMFI MPA Cup 2019, while in the second match, Amik FCA beat AMFI MPA FC 1-0, and in the third match, Actor FC defeated Director FC 5-1 in the fourth match. Sin Actor Guild FC crushed Amik FC 5-0. All Manipur Filmmakers and Producers Association organized the annual football tournament on the theme No to Drug, Yes to Life, participated by individuals in Manipur film industry. A rooftop soccer football house in Nagaram opposite to Kumalam Park Sports Complex, owned by one Jackson Naurem from Singjamai Chingamakha, was inaugurated by social worker N.G. Robert yesterday. BJP executive member Konthaujam Krishnadas was also present on the occasion. Speaking on the sidelines, social worker Robert lamented that Manipur, despite being a powerhouse of sports, still lags behind in number of events it competes. He drew the attention of the relevant authority to look into the matter and take necessary measures, including construction of football playgrounds to promote footballers of the state. Manipuri actors team and Neroka FC played an exhibition football match to mark the event. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Transporters and Drivers Council warns NHIDCL to remove tonnage restriction of 24 tons for goods trucks at Barak Bridge on Imphal-Jiribam Road. Surface Transport Hills Area Drivers Welfare Union Manipur says building of weight bridge at Golarthon is to extort money from drivers. Women folk stage sit-ins against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 at various places of Imphal City in solidarity to movement initiated by 6 student bodies. And Council of State Industrial Development and Investment Corporation of India confers National Award for Outstanding Entrepreneurs to Thangjam Joykumar of Likla brand.